We're gonna make some, you can't fuck this up, peasant bread, okay? If I can make this bread, anyone can make this bread. So you're gonna start out with a good quality flour. I've got the Arrowhead Mills Organic. King Arthur bread flour is also another good toxin-free choice. We're gonna do 3 cups of flour. We're gonna do half a teaspoon of yeast. I've got the Red Star Instant Quick Rise. So half a teaspoon, dump that in there. And then the recipe calls for a teaspoon of salt, but I use this kind of salt and it's too salty. So I do half a teaspoon. If you're using regular table salt, do a whole teaspoon. There we go. Then 1 3/4 cups of warm water. It needs to be between 100 and 110 degrees. Dump this in. Then you're gonna cover it in saran wrap and put it in a turned off oven or inside the microwave for at least 5 hours, or you could leave it overnight to rise. Okay, it's been about 5 hours. It's like 7 o'clock at night now. You can see how much this dough has risen. I've already got my flour out here. You're also going to need parchment paper and a Dutch oven, okay? Show you one of my favorite parchment paper tricks. Crumple it up, get it wet. Then you're gonna wring the water out of it, and now it'll fit into any pan and it'll work just fine. Now this is no knead, so all we're gonna do is get it and sort of shape it into a ball and put it in here. We're not gonna work this dough.
Did literally everyone eat the bananas?
Okay, this is what it's gonna look like. I literally just shaped it into a ball. We are going to put it in a cold oven, okay? We're not preheating. Cold oven at 450 degrees. Also, here's another little trick. I put tin foil on the in-between rack. That'll keep the bottom from burning. You're gonna cook it covered for 30 minutes, then uncover it and cook it for another 30 to 35. Okay. It's been 30 minutes. We are going to take the top off. I forgot to score my bread, but I think it'll be fine. Usually I'll use a razor blade and score the edge of it, but we're gonna put it back in uncovered for another 35 minutes. Okay. Oh, look at that. It is a thing of beauty. I wish you could smell how good this smells. Oh, yes. Oh, so good. If you enjoy random content that ranges from baking to beauty to boudoir, click the follow button.